Hello, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to be playing Earthquake. The reason why I just took a screenshot is because that screenshot is for the thumbnail of this YouTube video. Anyways, you can see that my Earthquake is literally the name of this YouTube channel, so let's begin. They updated the game a little. Yes, the city map apparently still exists, but they also updated that only a little bit. And then this is a new map that I never been in besides the Earthquake video before this. I think I should be, but I have uploaded some other stuff besides the last Earthquake. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting just like in the city, you're supposed to get all the small stuff first. In this case, it would probably be like fencing, whatever. Not sure what that was. Probably a tree. This map reminds me of like China, but like not like modern China, because there's 2 parts of China. There's old China and new China in today's standards.
No!
Rescue Hero. Pull the pin. Free download now.
I'm not sure if I would get copyrighted. I'm pretty sure I should be good. Oh my god, look at that one up there. I'm still a bit too small to get some buildings. Oh, this one's like the neighborhoods over here. I can have emotion. I can make the morning rain. Oh, I can. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 I'm in the earthquake. Want more? No thanks. Just continue. Ooh, here's the updated city map. Now you guys can actually see what the city map. I thought I was ready. Now you guys can kind of see what the city looks like. Now, not that much has really changed. I need to get bigger. Get like trees and fencing. Fence. More fence. Now, do all this. Fine, get bigger. Wait, can I just turn that down? And I feel like it might mute. I leave it turned down, but you go ahead. Okay. I'm not sure why it wasn't letting me get this close for a second. I'm gonna go back and get them. Okay. Congrats, switch it up. You're getting bigger. Oh no, 30 seconds. Am I big enough for buildings? Ooh, I might. Look at all these buildings I'm getting. Want more? I guess. Continue. Well, I guess that's all that we have today, folks. I hope you like and subscribe. Have a fantastic day. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.